Hello guys. I'm just going to share with you some how to withdraw on SUNLOTERY. So if you want to transfer from one account to the other, I just transfer now. I just transfer now. So you just click on this icon, this here, this here, this transfer here, this transfer. Then you just click on it. You will now transfer, and this place where you are, you just click on where there is subordinate. You see subordinate superior and transfer to others. That subordinate means your downline. Okay, when you have your downline, that is your subordinate. That superior is the person that will refer you. Okay, the person that refer you is your superior. Okay, so be very careful when you are tapping with this. And if you want to make, maybe you want to make any few, maybe you want to make, because I told you guys earlier for my student that if you want to pay the software fee, okay, you just tap on transfer to others. Okay, then just tap on it, then you tap on it, you put the username. There's a particular username for the customer care, so you put it there, then you type the amount, 20% of your gain. Okay, and you put your phone password, and that's all. So right now I'm just showing you guys on how to transfer. I've already made my transfer. I told you guys earlier, if you can see, and those who are on my group, I have about 61,000 naira this morning. So I transfer. So I need to pay charges today. I need to pay software fee. So that's the reason why I pay software fee is 20% of my gain. So 61,000, that means 11,000 naira is my gain. Okay, so I leave the 50,000 naira there. Okay, and that's how we roll. So the 50,000 will be there for the system, for the software, for the robot to use to work for you guys. Okay, in as much that you are not doing anything to make the money, but the robot is there to work for you. So that's why we pay the fee to maintain the robot. Okay, so those organizations that owns the robots, so those are the ones that we are paying the fee for. Okay, so if you want to do transfer to anybody, maybe you have want to do transfer to someone that is also one of the members of SUNLOTERY. He or she has SUNLOTERY account. So you just, and the person use your refer. That means is going to be what's it called? It's going to be your subordinate. Okay, it's going to be your subordinate. Another person's referral link, so it's going to be that means you are going to go for, and you want to transfer to that person, transfer money to that person, use superior. And if anybody doesn't use your account, like that means another person from anywhere, like you use another person, maybe like your friend did not, anybody that doesn't use your referral link, so you use transfer to others. Okay, so that is it, and you enter your the amount, then the username, the person that you are sending it to, in as much that is also a member in SUNLOTERY. Okay, so that is for that. So right now I will just log into my second account for you guys to see that this thing is real and legit. Okay, so let me just sign out. So I've signed out now. I want to go into my second account. So please don't forget, if you are watching my YouTube video for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give it a thumbs up, and then make sure you comment in the comment section. If you are interested in this beautiful and amazing platform, is so beautiful, it's beautiful, very very beautiful. Okay, you will really enjoy it. So we are not doing anything, and I'm earning 10,000. I earned 10,000 within 4 days. Within 4 days, I earned 11,000 naira. It's not even up to a week. So you can join this platform. You will be amazed that you'll be making a lot of money. Okay, so right now, as you can see, I told you guys earlier, I have 61,000 naira in this morning. I will show you guys the screenshots of my accounts this morning. Okay, so I have 61,000 naira. Then I pay because every Monday, today is Monday. Every Monday we used to pay a token fee of 20% of your gain. Okay, so that is what we used to pay. So we pay 20% of your gain. So then I want to withdraw 10,000 naira. So the 20% of 10,000 naira is 2,000 naira. So that is what I paid this morning, and I transfer 8,000 naira to my second account. You can see the name. So right now I want to transfer the money to my account, to my main account. Okay, so right now I'm just going to click here, then click withdraw. Okay, and click withdraw. So yeah, as you can see, I'll just withdraw. So I'll just withdraw 8,000. So I'll just withdraw the 8,000 naira. Then I'll put on my phone. Yeah, I'm done putting my phone password. Okay, so I'll just continue clicking next. So then you see, withdraw account to UBA and Union Bank. Okay, blah blah blah. So let's wait. So it has confirmed already now. So 2% must be okay. Okay. Sorry, the reason why it doesn't go. I know the reason why it doesn't go. So I'm going to, before I can be able, this is a new account. I'm going to I make sure the customer care is on alert. Okay. So I'm going to tell them to activate my transfer. Okay. Let's see if the customer care is still online. They are still online. Let me see. Let me try them out. Okay. Activate. Activate fund. Sorry. Activate fund transfer. So this is how you are going to do it. Because this account is new one, so I need to let them know that they should activate their transfer, the fund transfer. Okay. So I'm going to get a message from them sooner or later. As you can see, it's very fast. They say I should provide my username to check my account. Okay, I'll just type in my username right now. From Johnson. You can see. So I will wait while they respond. So as you can see, the message I just get this message from their customer care. Okay, say hello, the transfer function is already turned on. Okay, please refresh your account. So I will need to restart my account. Okay, so let me go back. So I need to go back. So if you are watching my YouTube video for the first time, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and then make sure you comment in the comment section. Okay, so let me start again. So let me just log in. Let me just sign in. So I wait while it load. So yeah, it has refreshed. So let us check it right now. Okay, so as I said earlier, we want to withdraw, okay, to my account. Okay, so let me withdraw. Let's check again. So I will put my password now. So as you can see, I've already put my password. Let me try again. So let's click on next step, and I will just confirm. Too short time after buying. Let me confirm.
Everything you put your hand go walk. Your name go open doors. You self go be a boss. Amen. Amen. Everything you put your hand go walk. Your name go open doors. You self go be a boss. Amen. Amen. Every hustler getting paid. Where the hustle go come to pay. Your own in no go take.
So let's wait.
If you define what to your own, God said go do your own. And flesh go cover bone. Amen. Amen. If you believe it, say amen. If you believe it, say amen. If you believe it, say amen. 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 Everything you put your hand go on. Your name go open doors. You self go be a boss. Amen. Amen. Everything you put your hand go on. Your name go open doors. You self go be a boss. Amen. Amen. Sister, where one man sees until where they find the key. One day you go on twist. Amen. Amen. You're not wait on losing job. Landlord come they do like God. One day you go be landlord. Amen. Amen. Good news go locate you. What you see in no go take. If you believe it, say amen. No. Amen. Amen. Everything you put your hand go up. Your name go open doors. You self go be a boss. Amen. Amen. Everything you put your hand go up. Your name go open doors. You self go be a boss. Amen. Amen. Long life go follow you. Strangers go favor you. Great men go honor you. check, oh. You self go drive that Benz, oh. This life go still make sense, oh. Amen. Your children go make you proud, oh. Bad people no go pull you down, oh. One day you go run this town, oh. Amen, amen. You self go spray me money, baby go call you honey. You self go host the party, amen, amen. Dango to go be your friend, Itodola go be your friend, Adenuga go be your guy, amen, amen. Elubelu go be your guy, Abdusabak go be my guy, Rabbi you go be my guy, amen, amen. Your life no go end in shame, your business go bring you gain. If you believe it, say amen, 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 amen.